Hi, how you doing? I'm Said Khan from affiliateship.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about a question that if you want to think about, right? So would you prefer, right, 10% or 40% plus commissions, affiliate commissions? Okay, so think about that. So and keep that in mind. But let's start. Okay, commissions. When you hear commissions, it's kind of a candy word, right, to hear for any affiliate, because it's all about matters relating to how much commissions we get paid as affiliates. So let's talk a little about commissions, okay, today. So if you look at these two ranges that I mentioned before, like 10% and 40%, right? I'm guessing that just based on looking at the numbers, some may go for 40%, right, straight away, as it's 3 times more than 10%. At first, I thought big commission rates are great too, because I thought I'm better off going for something that pays higher. But in some cases, this strategy and thinking may not work out well, okay? And here's my thinking, and you may disagree or agree with me, and I respect your views, because there's no right or wrong way about this. It's down to personal preference and the criteria that you follow for promoting affiliate programs. But however, let me share with you some ideas and thoughts on my approach. And to make it simple to illustrate, we'll go through an example scenario, right? So let's say that there's a product called Product A that pays 40% commission, and there's a product called Product B, that pays 10% commission. So product A is priced at $50, and the commission rate you get is 40%. Okay, so you get $20 for every sale. Okay, so 40% of 50, of course, is $20, right? So product B is priced at $1,000, and the commission is 10%. So you get paid $100 for every sale. So 10% of 1,000 equals 100, right? So many affiliates. For many affiliates, you get some sales conversion data, affiliate product that you can get from the affiliate program company, affiliate manager, that gives you an indication of how well or bad a product is converting. So for these two products, you get some sales conversion data, right? From the sales conversion data, and you learn the following: product A is converting at 4%, product B is converting at 2%. So let's also say these conversion rates are from cold traffic, meaning these are people who may not know you, may not be on your list. In other words, you can advertise this offer to brand new people not yet being aware of the product. So let's do some simple maths now. For every 100 people, right, you send to each offer, product A and product B, here's a possible scenario outcome that could happen, okay, based on the conversion rate. So product A, out of 100 people, 4 people may purchase your product, so 4 sales, because we know that 4% is the conversion rate. So 4 sales times $20 equals $80, right? Product B, out of 100 people, 2 people may purchase your product. So from the conversion rate, product B is 2% conversion rate, so 2 sales times $100 equals 200, right? Simple numbers, right? So as you can see from the above scenario, that product A had a high conversion rate and higher commissions rate, yeah, and it generated $100 from sending 100 people to the offer. Whereas product B had a lower conversion rate and lower commission rate, and it generated $200 from sending the same amount of people, 100 people, to the offer. Okay, product B offer. So from this scenario, we can learn that it's not always about the commission percentage or the commission, even the commission rate. That's important, because product B had a lower commission conversion rate and a lower percentage commission rate. Low percentage commission rate, right? Commission rate. Okay, but it's still generating more than double the commissions compared to product A. Therefore, when selecting affiliate products to enroll, I believe that you shouldn't just go for high commissions or higher conversion rate. So you may be asking, what's a better way? Okay, a better way, but still not the best way, is EPC, which is one of the most important metrics as well that you should consider for any affiliate product when you're promoting, right? Earnings per click, or EPC, is simply a calculation of how much you're earning on an average for every click that you send to an offer. Okay, so to work out the EPC rate on an offer, it's easy. You just need to divide the commissions earned by 100. Okay, so going back to product A, let's work out the EPC for product A. So $80 divided by 100 equals the commissions earned on this is 80 cents EPC. Okay, product B, let's work out EPC. So $200 divided by 100 equals commissions earned is going to be $2 EPC. So from the above scenario, again, we can clearly see the product B is the clear winner here in terms of EPC, as this EPC is more than the double product of product A. So as you can see, EPC can tell you how much on average you could be earning from each click, regardless of what percentage rate or conversion rate it is, right? Now you're going to hate me for this, probably yet you will, but sometimes even high EPCs may not be enough to encourage you to keep on promoting the product. Okay, because you know, you can have a product that's got a high EPC, but it turns out that there's a lot of refunds, bad reviews, and it doesn't produce results it promises. Okay, so the product doesn't say what it does on the tin, right? In other words, right? So if that's the case, then you obviously don't want to be promoting stuff like this to your, you know, audience for ethical reasons and potential damage to your reputation, right? Remember I said that EPC is still not the best way. So what is the best way? Well, we've learned that it's not just about commission rates, conversion rates, or even EPCs. But I believe that the best way is looking at affiliate products from a holistic view. Okay, so what I mean by this is that we're overall the product, the company, the service behind it is at least good enough, and I'm also passionate about and interested in the product and the company. Okay, so that's like looking at the overall view of the affiliate product and the program. Okay, so here's a simple criteria that I would consider and make sure that there's at least a tick in all the following areas relating to the affiliate product. So these include your passion and interest in the product, good service, good company, good conversion rate, good EPC, good commission. Okay, now good is enough, but if you got great, that's better, of course, right? To sum it up, it's about promoting product that actually solves a problem, the genuine, authentic, provides tremendous value to the people that you recommend, coupled with your interest in the product, your passion in the product, and decent commissions, EPC, and of course conversion rates. So that's enough for now for this video. So if I were to ask you this question again, would you prefer 10% or 40% affiliate commissions? You decide what's important for you, and of course promote your product the way you think is the best way for you. But I'm sure you'll go for products that are genuine, authentic, you know, provide great value to your audience, and of course decent commissions for you, conversion rate and stuff like that. Okay, so thank you very much again for watching this video. I'm going to end this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and if you like more stuff like this, please visit affiliateship.com/newsletter. Thank you and all the best.